Welcome back. In this session, we discuss Bernoulli and binomial random variables. Some special discrete random variables which are in common use have to be studied in detail. In this module, we are concentrating on two of such random variables and their probability distributions. They are Bernoulli random variable and binomial random variable. Just before introducing Bernoulli random variable, it is better to have some knowledge with so-called two-point distribution. Consider a random variable which is taking two different values x1 and x2 with probabilities p of x equal to x1 that is equal to p and p of x equal to x2 that is equal to 1 minus p where 0 less than p less than 1. Such a random variable is said to follow two-point distribution. Mean and variance of a random variable with two-point distribution. Mean expectation of x equal to x1 into p plus x2 into 1 minus p. Variance expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square that is equal to x1 square into p plus x2 square into 1 minus p minus x1p plus x2 into 1 minus p the whole square that is equal to x1 square p plus x2 square into 1 minus p minus of x1 square p square plus x2 square 1 minus p whole square plus 2x1 x2 p into 1 minus p. That is equal to x1 square into p minus x1 square p square plus x2 square into 1 minus p minus x2 square into 1 minus p whole square plus 2x1 x2 p into 1 minus p. That is equal to x1 square p into 1 minus p plus x2 square p into 1 minus p plus 2x1 x2 p into 1 minus p. That is x1 square plus x2 square plus 2x1 x2 into p into 1 minus p, that is x1 plus x2 the whole square p into 1 minus p. Moment generating function mxt equal to expectation of e raised to tx, that is equal to summation over x e raised to tx into probability of capital X equal to small x, that is e raised to tx1 into p of x equal to x1 plus e raised to tx2 into p of x equal to x2, that is e raised to tx1 into p plus e raised to tx2 into 1 minus p. Bernoulli distribution or point binomial distribution. If the two different values taken by the random variable x are 1 and 0 with probabilities p and 1 minus p that is q respectively, where 0 less than p less than 1, then the random variable is said to follow Bernoulli distribution. That is x is a Bernoulli random variable if p of x equal to 1 equal to p and p of x equal to 0 is 1 minus p that is q. The distribution function of x is given as capital F of x equal to 0 if x less than 0, 1 minus p if 0 less than or equal to x less than 1 and 1 if x greater than or equal to 1. Mean and variance. Mean equal to expectation of x that is equal to 1 into p of x equal to 1 plus 0 into p of x equal to 0, that is 1 into p plus 0 into 1 minus p that is p. Expectation of x raised to k equal to 1 raised to k into p that is also equal to p. This implies variance equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square that is equal to p minus p square, that is p into 1 minus p or that is equal to p into q. Binomial distribution. Consider a random experiment with two possible outcomes, success and failure. Let p be the probability of success and let it assumed to remain same from trial to trial and q equal to 1 minus p is the probability of failure. Let x denote the number of successes in n independent repetitions of the experiment. Then x is a random variable which may take the values 0, 1, 2, etc. n. Then p of capital X equal to small x, that is probability of x successes and n minus x failures in n repetition of the experiment. There are NCX mutually exclusive ways, each with probability p raised to x into q raised to n minus x for the happening of x successes out of n repetitions of the experiment. Hence, probability of capital X equal to small x that is equal to NCX into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x for x equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. n. As a definition, a random variable x is said to follow the binomial distribution with parameters n and p if the probability mass function f of x that is equal to p of capital X equal to small x, that is NCX p raised to x into q raised to n minus x for x equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. n. where 0 less than p less than 1 and p plus q equal to 1 and f of x equal to 0 elsewhere. Remark: Bernoulli distribution is a special case of binomial distribution when n equal to 1. Binomial distribution was discovered by James Bernoulli. Under the following situations, one can make use of binomial distribution. Number 1, the random experiment should have only two possible outcomes. Number 2, the probabilities of the possible outcomes remains unchanged from trial to trial. 3, the experiment could be repeated for any finite number of times independently. 4, let the variable of interest x is the number of times a favorable outcome happens out of the two possible outcomes when the experiment is repeated for n times. The probabilities related to x can be solved by applying binomial probability mass function. For example, suppose 10 students are tossing unbiased coins. To find the probability that at least 2 of them resulted in heads. Here, let x denote the total number of heads out of these 10 tosses of unbiased coins. The probability of getting a head is 0.5 for all the coins and the tosses are independent. So, x is like total number of heads when an unbiased coin is tossed 10 times independently. Hence, probability of capital X equal to small x, that is equal to 10cx 0.5 raised to x into 1 minus 0.5 raised to 10 minus x for x equal to 0, 1, 2 etc. up to 10. Probability of at least 2 of the 10 students resulted in head equal to probability of x greater than or equal to 2. But probability of x greater than or equal to 2 equal to 1 minus probability of x less than 2, that is 1 minus of p of x equal to 0 plus p of x equal to 1. So, p of x greater than or equal to 2 equal to 1 minus of 10c0 0.5 raised to 0 into 1 minus 0.5 raised to 10 minus 0 plus 10c1 0.5 raised to 1 into 1 minus 0.5 raised to 10 minus 1. This implies p of x greater than or equal to 2 equal to 1 minus of 0.5 raised to 10 plus 10 into 0.5 raised to 10. That is 1 minus 11 into 0.5 raised to 10. Mean and variance of binomial distribution. Mean equal to expectation of x, that is equal to summation over x into f of x, that is equal to summation x from 0 to n x into ncx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x, that is summation x from 0 to n x into n factorial by x factorial into n minus x factorial p raised to x into q raised to n minus x, that is np into summation x from 0 to n minus 1 factorial by x minus 1 factorial into n minus x factorial p raised to x minus 1 into q raised to n minus x, that is np into p plus q the all raised to n minus 1, that is np into 1 raised to n minus 1 which is n into p. Expectation of x square equal to summation over x from 0 to n x square into ncx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x, that is summation x from 0 to n x into x minus 1 plus x into n factorial by x factorial into n minus x factorial p raised to x into q raised to n minus x, that is summation x from 0 to n x into x minus 1 into n factorial by x factorial into n minus x factorial into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x plus summation x from 0 to n x into n factorial by x factorial into n minus x factorial p raised to x into q raised to n minus x, that is n into n minus 1 into p square summation x from 0 to n minus 2 factorial by x minus 2 factorial into n minus x factorial p raised to x minus 2 into q raised to n minus x plus expectation of x, that is equal to n into n minus 1 into p square plus p plus q the all raised to n minus 2 plus n into p, that is n into n minus 1 into p square plus np. Hence, the variance v of x equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square, that is equal to n into n minus 1 into p square plus np minus np square, that is n square p square minus np square plus np minus n square p square, which is np minus np square, that is np into 1 minus p, that is n into p into q. Similarly, expectation of x cube equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into p cube plus 3n into n minus 1 p square plus np, and expectation of x raised to 4 equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into p raised to 4 plus 3n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into p cube plus 7 into n minus 1 into p square plus np. Moment generating function mxt equal to expectation of e raised to tx, that is equal to summation over x e raised to tx into p of capital X equal to small x, that is summation x from 0 to n e raised to tx into ncx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x, that is summation x from 0 to n ncx p e raised to t the all raised to x into q raised to n minus x, which is q plus p e raised to t the all raised to n. Central moment generating function m x minus expectation of x of t, that is equal to expectation of e raised to t into x minus expectation of x, that is summation x from 0 to n e raised to t into x minus np into ncx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x, that is e raised to minus npt into summation x from 0 to n e raised to tx into ncx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. This implies m x minus expectation of x of t equal to e raised to minus npt into q plus p e raised to t the all raised to n. Rinowski formula or the recurrence relation for the central moments. Let mu r minus 1, mu r plus 1 respectively be the r minus 1th, rth and r plus 1th central moment of a random variable x following binomial distribution with parameters n and p denoted as x following b and p. Then mu r plus 1 equal to pq into d by dp of mu r plus nr into mu r minus 1. Third and fourth central moments. We have mu 1 equal to 0 always, and here the variance mu 2 equal to npq. Then by using the above recurrence formula, we get for r equal to 2, mu 3 equal to pq into d by dp of mu 2 plus 2n into mu 1. This implies mu 3 equal to pq into d by dp of npq plus 2n into 0, that is npq into p into minus 1 plus q, that is npq into q minus p, or it is npq into 1 minus 2p. When r equal to 3, mu 4 equal to pq into d by dp of mu 3 plus 3n into mu 2, that is pq into d by dp of npq into 1 minus 2p plus 3n into npq, that is npq into 1 plus 3 into n minus 2 into pq. Measure of skewness and kurtosis. Measure of skewness beta 1 equal to mu 3 square divided by mu 2 cube, that is equal to npq into q minus p the whole square divided by npq the whole cube, which is q minus p whole square divided by npq. Measure of kurtosis beta 2 equal to mu 4 divided by mu 2 square, that is npq into 1 plus 3 into n minus 2 into pq divided by npq the whole square, which is 1 plus 3 into n minus 2 pq divided by npq, that is 1 plus 3 npq minus 6 pq divided by npq, which is 3 npq plus 1 minus 6 pq divided by npq, that is equal to 3 plus 1 minus 6 pq divided by npq. Remark number 1. When p equal to q or n becomes very large, the distribution will become symmetric. Number 2. When n become very large, the distribution will become mesokurtic also. Recurrence relation for the probabilities of binomial distribution. For x following binomial np, let p of x equal to small x is denoted by bx np, then bx plus 1 np equal to n minus x divided by x plus 1 into p by q into bx np. Characteristic function. Phi xt equal to expectation of e raised to I tx, that is summation over x e raised to I tx into probability of capital X equal to small x. Therefore, this is summation over x from 0 to n e raised to I tx into ncx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x, that is summation x from 0 to n ncx p e raised to I t the all raised to x into q raised to n minus x, that is equal to q plus p e raised to I t the all raised to n. Mode of binomial distribution. Let x be the mode of x following binomial distribution, and then x is the value of x where the probability is maximum. Hence, f of x minus 1 less than or equal to f of x, let it be number 1. F of x plus 1 less than or equal to f of x, let it be number 2. Where f of x equal to probability of capital X equal to small x. 1 implies nc x minus 1 p raised to x minus 1 into 1 minus p the all raised to n minus x plus 1 less than or equal to ncx p raised to x into 1 minus p the all raised to n minus x. Let it be 3. 2 implies ncx plus 1 p raised to x plus 1 into 1 minus p the all raised to n minus x minus 1 less than or equal to ncx p raised to x into 1 minus p the all raised to n minus x. Let it be 4. Solving the inequalities 3 and 4, we get n plus 1 into p minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to np plus p. If n plus 1 into p is an integer, there are two modes for the distribution n plus 1 into p and n plus 1 into p minus 1. If n plus 1 into p is not an integer, the integer part of n plus 1 into p is taken as the mode. Additive or reproductive property of binomial distribution. A distribution is said to possess the additive or reproductive property if sum of k independent random variables following that distribution also follows the same distribution under some specified conditions. Let x1 and x2 be two independent binomial random variables with parameters n1 p and n2 p respectively. Then x equal to x1 plus x2 follows binomial distribution with parameters n1 plus n2 and p. Proof. Since x1 follow binomial n1p, m x1 of t equal to q plus p e raised to t the all raised to n1. x2 follows binomial n2p, therefore m x2t equal to q plus p e raised to t the all raised to n2. mxt equal to m x1 plus x2 of t, that is equal to m x1 of t into m x2 of t, because x1 and x2 are independent. This implies mx of t equal to q plus p e raised to t the all raised to n1 into q plus p e raised to t the all raised to n2, that is equal to q plus p e raised to t the all raised to n1 plus n2. q plus p e raised to t the all raised to n1 plus n2 is the mgf of a random variable following binomial n1 plus n2 comma p. Hence, x equal to x1 plus x2 follows binomial distribution with parameters n1 plus n2 and p. Remark. In general, if xi follow binomial ni p for I equal to 1 to etc. k and xi are independent, then x equal to x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xk follows binomial distribution with parameters n1 plus n2 plus etc. plus nk and p. Problem 1. 10 unbiased coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting at least 7 heads. Solution. Since the coins are unbiased, probability of head equal to probability of tail, that is equal to 0.5. Let x denote the number of heads when a coin tossed 10 times or 10 identical coins tossed simultaneously. The next follows binomial 10 0.5. Then probability of capital X equal to small x, that is equal to 10cx 0.5 raised to x into 0.5 raised to 10 minus x, that is 10cx into 0.5 raised to 10 for x equal to 0, 1 etc. up to 10. Probability of getting at least 7 heads equal to probability of x equal to 7 plus p of x equal to 8 plus p of x equal to 9 plus p of x equal to 10, that is 10c7 0.5 raised to 10 plus 10c8 0.5 raised to 10 plus 10c9 0.5 raised to 10 plus 10c10 0.5 raised to 10, that is 0.5 raised to 10 into 10c7 plus 10c8 plus 10c9 plus 10c10, which is 176 divided by 1024. Problem 2. The mean and variance of a binomial random variable x are 12 and 6 respectively. Find number 1 probability of x equal to 0 and number 2 probability of x greater than 1. Solution. For a random variable x following binomial np, expectation of x equal to np and variance of x equal to npq. Given np equal to 12 and npq equal to 6. npq divided by np, that is equal to 6 divided by 12, which is 1 by 2. This implies q equal to 1 by 2. This implies p also equal to 1 by 2 because p plus q equal to 1. Hence, n equal to 24. Therefore, p of x equal to 0 equal to 24 c0 1 by 2 raised to 24, that is 1 by 2 the all raised to 24. P of x greater than 1 equal to 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 1, that is 1 minus p of x equal to 0 plus x equal to 1, that is 1 minus of 24 c0 1 by 2 raised to 24 plus 24 c1 1 by 2 raised to 24. That is 1 minus of 1 by 2 raised to 24 plus 24 into 1 by 2 raised to 24. That is 1 minus 25 into 1 by 2 raised to 24. Problem 3. For a random variable x following binomial 6p, given 9 into probability of x equal to 4 equal to probability of x equal to 2. Find p. Solution. X following binomial 6p. Therefore, p of capital X equal to small x equal to 6cx p raised to x into q raised to 6 minus x for x equal to 0, 1 up to 6. Probability of x equal to 4 equal to 6c4 p raised to 4 into q raised to 6 minus 4. Probability of x equal to 2 equal to 6c2 p square q raised to 6 minus 2. 9 into probability of x equal to 4 equal to probability of x equal to 2 implies 9 into 6c4 p raised to 4 into q square, that is equal to 6c2 p square q raised to 4. This implies 9p square equal to q square. This implies 9p square equal to 1 minus p the whole square. This implies 8 plus 2p minus 1 equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. Solving 1, we get p equal to 1 by 4 and p equal to minus 1 by 2. But p equal to minus 1 by 2 is not an admissible value of p since it is negative. Hence, p equal to 1 by 4. Problem 4. The MGF of a random variable x is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 e raised to t the all raised to 9. Show that probability of mu minus 2 sigma less than x less than mu plus 2 sigma equal to summation x from 1 to 5 9 cx 1 by 3 raised to x into 2 by 3 raised to 9 minus x, where mu equal to expectation of x and sigma equal to standard deviation of x. Solution. Given MGF is in the form of the MGF of a binomial random variable with parameters 9 and 1 by 3. Hence, the given variable follows binomial 9 1 by 3. Then expectation of x equal to 9 by 3, that is equal to 3. And variance of x equal to 9 into 1 by 3 into 2 by 3, that is equal to 2. This implies probability of mu minus 2 sigma less than x less than mu plus 2 sigma equal to probability of 3 minus 2 into root 2 less than x less than 3 plus 2 in root 2. That is probability of 0.2 less than x less than 5.8. That is p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3 plus p of 4 plus p of 5. This implies probability of mu minus 2 sigma less than x less than mu plus 2 sigma equal to summation x from 1 to 5 9 cx 1 by 3 raised to x into 2 by 3 raised to 9 minus x. Problem 5. If x follows binomial np, find the distribution of y equal to n minus x. Solution. Since x follow binomial np, f of x equal to ncx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x for x equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. n. Given y equal to n minus x, that is x equal to n minus y. This implies f of y equal to n c n minus y p raised to n minus y q raised to n minus of n minus y for y equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, etc. up to 0. This is equal to n factorial by n minus y factorial into y factorial into p raised to n minus y into q raised to y for y equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. n. This is nc by q raised to y into p raised to n minus y for y equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. n. Therefore, y follow binomial nq. Problem 6. If x and y are two independent random variables where x following binomial 6 1 by 2 and y following binomial 4 1 by 2, calculate number 1 p of x plus y equal to r. Number 2 p of x plus y greater than or equal to 3. Solution. By additive property of binomial distribution, x plus y follows binomial 6 plus 4 1 by 2, that is binomial 10 1 by 2. Then p of x plus y equal to r equal to 10 cr 1 by 2 raised to r into 1 by 2 raised to 10 minus r. This is equal to 10 cr 1 by 2 raised to 10 for r equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 10. P of x plus y greater than or equal to 3 equal to 1 minus p of x plus y less than 3, that is 1 minus p of x plus y equal to 0 plus p of x plus y equal to 1 plus p of x plus y equal to 2. That is 1 minus of 10c0 1 by 2 raised to 10 plus 10c1 1 by 2 raised to 10 plus 10c2 1 by 2 raised to 10. That is 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to 10 into 1 plus 10 plus 45. That is 1 minus 56 into 1 by 2 raised to 10. Fitting of binomial distribution. The process of estimating the most appropriate values of the parameter of a distribution from the given observations and writing down the PMF or PDF of the distribution is known as the fitting of a distribution. In the case of fitting of binomial distribution, one has to estimate the values of n and p. N can be determined from the maximum possible value of the random variable given in the data. The estimation of p can be done by equating the mean of the given data to mean of the random variable, which is np. Problem: fit a binomial distribution for the following data giving the number of seeds germinated out of a packet of 10 seeds when 80 such packets are considered. Seeds germinated x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The corresponding number of packets f 6, 20, 28, 12, 8, 6, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Solution: let x be the number of seeds germinated. The probability of germination of each seed is assumed same. Then x follows binomial distribution with parameters 10 and p. To estimate the value of p, find the average number of seeds germinated per packet from the data and equate it with the average of the variable x. Average number of seeds germinated per packet equal to 1 by 80 into summation over I from 1 to 10 xi into fi. That is 0 into 6 plus 1 into 20 plus 2 into 28 plus 3 into 12 plus 4 into 8 plus 5 into 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 all divided by 80. That is 2.175. Average of the variable x equal to 10 into p. Then we get 10 into p equal to 2.175. This implies p equal to 0.2175. Hence, the required PMF is probability of capital X equal to small x, that is 10 Cx 0.2175 raised to x into 1 minus 0.2175 raised to 10 minus x for x equal to 1, 2, etc. up to 10. In this module, we considered three discrete probability distributions. They are 2-point distribution, Bernoulli distribution and binomial distribution. These probability distributions are studied in detail. Their properties are explored. Many problems are solved to get a better view on these distributions. Try to answer the following questions. Determine the binomial distribution for which the mean is 4 and variance 3 and find its mode. In 100 sets of 10 tosses of an unbiased coin, how many times you expect at least 6 heads? If the MGF of a random variable x is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 e raised to t the all raised to 5, find probability of x equal to 2. X and y are two independent binomial random variables with parameters n1 p1 and n2 p2 respectively. Calculate number 1 p of x plus y equal to r, number 2 p of modulus of x minus y equal to r. Hope you enjoyed this session. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.